In this rapidly evolving procurement world, collaboration with vendors play a very critical role for each and every organization. In this video, we will see how SAP Business Network can simplify this process by providing an integrated approach to collaborate with your vendors. Meet Saurav, a buyer with ABC Corporation. He was struggling with the way he was interacting with his suppliers. After the orders are placed, he had no idea whether the orders are confirmed in full or partial. When will they are going to be shipped? How can he ensure that the invoices he receives are error-free? With SAP Business Network, now he can get full visibility into the confirmed orders. He can get real-time status of the shipments via the advanced shipment notification and also can receive compliant and error-free invoices. How? Let's have a look. Saurav, the category buyer, logs into SAP ERP platform. The intelligent dashboard shows him all the relevant KPIs related to purchase. He goes to Procurement tab and creates a purchase order with his particular supplier. He mentions the required item, the quantity, the delivery date, by when he is expecting the material to be shipped. He saves the order, and after necessary approvals, the purchase order is released from the ERP. Immediately, Ravi, the supplier, receives an email notification that ABC Corporation has shared a purchase order with him. The supplier can access the order through his desktop as well as his mobile application. Ravi checks his mobile application where he can see a smart dashboard with all the order and invoice related information. Ravi can also see the reports specific to open orders, approved or rejected invoices, items not yet confirmed or shipped, etc. He can also view the detailed orders and can take necessary action through the mobile application, like confirming the order, creating an advance shipment notice, or creating an invoice. Ravi, the supplier, can also access the SAP Business Network portal to access the purchase orders sent to him. In the portal, he gets to see a dashboard which is similar to the mobile application as well, and there he can view all the orders and invoice related information. Ravi selects a report of new orders pending with him and views the purchase order. This is how the supplier can view the purchase order details. They can see the buyer information, the supplier details, and the status of the order. The status will keep on changing in real time. The suppliers can also see the ship to and bill to details and the line items of the purchase order. Ravi has now option to take different actions. He can create an order confirmation, an advance shipment notice, and an invoice. First, he is going to confirm the order. To create an order confirmation, Ravi needs to enter very less amount of information like the confirmation reference number and estimated shipping or arrival date, because rest of the information are already being populated from the purchase order. Once submitted, the order status is updated as confirmed and the confirmation document is also created. When shipment is prepared, Ravi creates an advance shipment notice to inform Saurav, the buyer, that when he can expect the shipment to arrive. Besides, Ravi can also mention the carrier details for tracking purposes. Ravi can create one or multiple shipments against a single order. The order status is again updated to shipped and the corresponding document is generated. Saurav gets a notification once he receives the document, which is sent by the supplier. Saurav checks the purchase order in the ERP. Under the Confirmations tab, Saurav can see the order confirmation and advance shipment notice which the supplier has created. So now Saurav has a clear visibility that whether the order is confirmed in full or partial and exactly by when he can expect the shipment to come. The advance notice also creates an inbound delivery in the ERP automatically. Once the shipment arrives, the store executive will create a goods receipt document against the purchase order. When Saurav checks the purchase order and views the purchase order history tab, he can see the materials document has been generated for goods receipt. The same notification is also sent to the supplier. Ravi will now create an e-invoice through SAP Business Network. Ravi accesses the purchase order for which he has created the advance shipment notice, and he goes on to create a standard invoice against it. He only needs to enter an invoice number since the system generates the invoice through a PO flip. All the relevant information like the line item, price, quantity, tax are pre-populated in the invoice from the purchase order. The system is also compliant to India-specific tax rules. System can maintain multiple customer locations. It also captures information like customer GSTN number, supplier GSTN number, type of supply, place of supply, etc. And it captures the applicable tax and HSN SSC code as per the India government policy. If supplier tries to update any data like the quantity, price, etc. and tries to submit the invoice, system automatically rejects it. SAP Business Network has more than 120 configurable business rules, which ensures that the supplier needs to submit invoice which don't have any mismatch from the purchase order or within the tolerance limit set by the business rules. Once the invoice is submitted, the status is changed to invoiced and the corresponding document is also generated. As per India government policy, supplier needs to upload an invoice to the government IRP portal to generate an IRN number, which is essential for input tax credit purpose. SAP Business Network has an out-of-the-box integration with the government IRP portal. Once supplier submits the invoice, it is automatically sent to the government IRP portal along with the necessary information, and the invoice is updated with a QR code and 64-digit IRN number which is coming from the government IRP portal. The system also captures digital signature and signed PDF copies of the invoice which is coming from the government portal. All this information are also sent back to the buyer through SAP Business Network. When the buyer checks the purchase order, they can view the parked invoice in the ERP. The accounts payable team receives a notification on the parked invoices and they can approve the same in the SAP ERP. With SAP Business Network, Saurav as a buyer gets more visibility into his order status, shipment information, etc. He can improve the efficiency of the buying team as well as the accounts payable team by eliminating the need of follow-ups with real-time visibility of order and shipments. It also improves the compliance with configurable business rules and the India-specific tax rules and IRP guidelines, which also improves the input tax credit compliance. But not just for the buyers, the suppliers also get benefit of getting real-time visibility of new orders, changed orders, goods or services which are accepted or rejected, and the real-time payment visibility. It helps them to reduce order processing time, reduce customer complaints, and also helps them to improve upon certain KPIs like OTIF and DSO.